Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have started second lesson. What is the second lesson we have started? The sound of music. The sound of what? Music. Yes. Let us once again discuss about the paragraph. Paragraph number 1. So, in this lesson, the story about whom? Evelyn Glennie. Story about whom? Whose story it is? Evelyn Glennie. Is it? See here. Her story given to viewers. Let us see what's happened in the first paragraph. What is the information is there? Yes, first time, once upon a time, the first time she came to where she came to? She came to London for music purpose. So she was 17 years old. Yes, she belongs to Scotland. Is it right? So she wanted to become musician. She wanted to become a musician. So one weakness is there. What is that weakness? Deafness. Her weakness was deafness. Deafness means can't hearing. Deafness means what? Can't hearing. Although she would like to learn the music. She would like to learn the music. Uh, 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 Deafness although. So then, in the second paragraph, when she is 8 years old, when she was 8 years old, she would like to play the piano. She would like to play the piano. Piano is a musical instrument. When the teacher called her name, when the teacher called her name, she did not respond to their words. So automatically they know very well she is she become a deaf. She become a deaf. So this thing the headmaster informed to her mother. Her mother name was Isabella Glennie. Her mother name is what? Isabella Glennie. So when Isabella Glennie consulted the HM or admiss, they told to her, yes, better to consult the specialist because she can't hearing. Because she can't hearing. As per their guidance, so when she went to doctor or specialist, they told to a mother, yes, she is deaf. She is deaf. So better to join the special school, deaf or dumb school. Maybe you just join her. This like the specialist also told to her mother. Then, but Evelyn going to give up. She is not going to give up. Yes, whatever, however it may be, I want to be musician. That was her strong desire, strong decision. Even she took whatever it may be, physically, however it may be. But she decided, I want to become a musician. She want to become what? A musician. Is it right? So that automatically she interested in music. She had too much interested in music. Then here one teacher supported to her, percussionist Ron Pobus. All the teachers discouraged her, but here one teacher is there. The name is Ron Pobus. Supported her learning music. For learning what? Music. He supported. What type of he supported her? So he took two different type of drums. He started to play. He started to beat. So one thing he told to her, he told to Evelyn, don't hear the music through the ears. Just you have to sense. you have to use another part of body. Another part of body. This type of who encouraged her? Yes, Ron Forbes encouraged her in learning the music. So then, uh, when he beated the two drums, waist up and waist up, she learned lower ones. It means sense the music to the lower up and lower down. She know the high pitch and low pitch, or high notes or low notes. She know through the part of waist. Through the part of waist up and down. She sense the music. She not listen. She did not listen. Just she sense the music through the parts of body. Through the parts of body. First you practice what? Waist up and down. Means high pitch and low pitch, or high notes or low notes. She learned through the drums. Okay. Then here, when she learned very well, she was a hard worker also and strong decision woman. Then come to the fourth one. What type of she learned continuous? What she did achievement? Okay, let us see fourth para. She never looked back from the point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a young or youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make a music her life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of Academy. She gradually moved from the orchestral work to the solo performance. At the end of her 3 years course, she had captured most of the top awards. So, when she had a confident, when she had a confident, when the teacher supported her, she never worried about her deafness. She never worried about deafness or weakness. She is a strong desire. What she has a strong desire? I want to be musician. I want to be musician. So for this reason, she never looked back. She never looked back. It means she never thought about her weakness. What was her weakness? Deafness. Deafness, her was weakness. Okay, let's see here. She never looked back from the point onwards. Then she toured the United Kingdom. Yes, she traveled. It means she traveled. She made tour throughout the kingdom. It means London. She toured the United Kingdom with a young orchestra. Young orchestra means musician group. Orchestra, you see what type of orchestra group make a performance on public or wherever it may be. That like she made one group. It means orchestra group. Which group she made? Orchestra. Orchestra means musician group. Orchestra. She made what? Orchestra group. Uh, so she traveled throughout the London. Throughout the London. See here. United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16 years. When she started musician team or orchestra team, her age was 16 years. What was her age? 16 years. Sorry, at the age of 16 years, she started a orchestra team. She started what? A orchestra team. See here, next what's happened. The time she was 16, she had decided to make a music her life. Yes, she decided music is my life. Music is my life. It is not a part-time job. It's my life. She decided. See here. Then she auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of academic thing. In the history of the academy. Yes, when she gave audition, when she attended the auditioner, in the audition she got highest score compared to others. She got what? Highest score, highest marks. She got what? Highest marks in the audition. That type of performance she gave her. She gave. Okay. She had decided to make a music live. She auditioned for Royal Academy of Music, that was in London. then scored one of the highest mark. One of the highest mark in the history of academy. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performance. Then, day by day, so she would like to give solo performance. Solo performance, solo means single. Solo means what? Single performance. She would like to give the single performance on the stage. Yes, gradually, day by day, just she out of comes out from the team. She would like to give solo performance. She would like to give what type of performance? Solo. Solo means single performance. See here. Gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performance. At the end of 3 years course, she had captured. Yes, 3 years course it is. In the 3 years course, at the end of 3 years course, she captured. She won so many awards. Top of awards, not normal awards. She got top of awards. She got top of awards at the end of 3 years course. Let's see next what's one. She had captured most of the top awards. She captured what type of awards? Top of the awards. Let's see, continue. And for all this, everyone won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. If you work hard and know where you are going, the world's most, you will get there. And she got right to the top. The world's most start after multi percussionist with the master of some 1,000 instruments and active international schedule. Let's see what's happened in the next paragraph. And all for this, Evelyn won't accept my hint of heroic achievement. It means she would like to, she would not like to get the awards. She would like to make her name in the history of music, history of what? Music. Okay. She never think about medals or awards. Okay. Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement if you work hard. One thing she said here, if you work hard, how you live? You should have aim. With small aim or big aim, whatever it may be, you should have aim. For the aim, you have to make hard work. For the aim, you have to make hard work. Without aim, you can't do anything. You can't succeed. So, you do one thing, what? You should have aim or goal. Then for aim or for goal, you have to make what? Hard work. Hard work. Is it right? Hard work brings success. Hard work brings what? Success. So that like she told to all the people, you should have aim. You should have goal. For the goal, for the aim, you have to put the effort. Too much effort. Hard work. You have to put hard work. She said to her people. Then, if you work hard and know where you are going, yes, if you make a work hard, automatically you will reach the top level. You reach the top level place. If you work hard. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Yes, where you want to be, you want to be there. When you make a hard work. Where you want to be, you go there. When you put the hard work only. When you have aim, you should have aim first. Okay. Then she got right to the top. Yes, of course. She got top place. She got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments. Yes, she got top of order among the 1,000 of percussionists. See here. Hectic international schedule, it means too much busy. She was too much busy giving the program throughout the world. Throughout the world. She was too much busy. She led too much busy life. It means she gave much programs. Okay. Let's see here. Master of some 1,000 instruments and active international schedule. Then It is intriguing to watch Avian function so effortlessly without hearing. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed. See, it is intriguing to watch Avian function so effortlessly without hearing. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. Men with bushy beards give me trouble. She laughed. It is not just watching the lips, it is not whole face, especially the eyes. She speaks fluently with the Scottish lips. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says, but doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. Let's see what's happening. It is intriguing. Intriguing means fascinated and curious. Yes, everyone also had curiosity on her. What type of she play the music? Everyone also had interested on her music. It is intriguing to watch her program. It means they are interested to watch her program. Watch her what? Program. Function so effortlessly without hearing. Yes, effortlessly, easily. Normally, easily they can enjoy her program. Function so effortlessly without hearing. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. She never missed a word. So one more thing she told here. Let's see what was that. Men with bushy beard give me trouble. Yes, just comically she said that what somebody people have a beard, the red beard. So those people give me trouble. Yes, she said. Men with bushy beards. Beards means that thing. Bushy beards give me a trouble. She laughed. Not seriously, she said. She said with laughing. Okay, she said. What type of people gave her trouble? Yes, bushy beards. What is that? Bushy. Bushy beards. Okay. Which type of people gave her trouble? Man with bushy beards give me trouble, she laughed. It is not just watching the lips. It means she can't watching her lips because totally half face covered by the beard. Covered by what? Beard. So she can't see their lips. She can't see their lips because their half face covered by what? Beards. Okay, let's see that like. It is not just watching the lips, it's the whole face. It means I can't see their whole face, only half face I can see, but other half face we can't see because cover the beards here, especially the eyes. She speaks closely with the Scottish lady. Yes, she can speak Scottish because she belongs to Scotland. Yes, she can speak Scottish because she belongs to which country? Scotland, of course. She speaks fluently, means without mistake. Without mistake, she can speak Scottish language because she belongs to Scotland. Then let's see, next continue. With Scottish Lilith, my speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11 years. Yes, my speech is clear. Whatever I talk, without mistake, I can talk the Scottish because from birth I hear the language. From birth I hear the language. So without mistake, I can speak the Scottish. She said here. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, as 11 years. She says, but that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. But more than one language she learned. She studied French and Japanese. French and Japanese. She learned French and Japanese. She is deaf, although she learned French and Japanese. She can't explain how she learned French and Japanese. Okay, despite of deafness. Despite of deafness, she learned French and Japanese language. Is it understand? See. Explain how she managed to learn French and master basic of Japanese. Okay. I hope you understood very well. How many paragraphs completed here? 4, 5, 6. Uh, 3 paragraphs are completed. I hope you understood very well. So homework. What homework you want to do? Just read the paragraphs with understanding. Homework. Read the paragraphs with understanding. With understanding, and one more thing, collect the hard words from paragraphs. The paragraphs. This is our homework. First, how many paragraphs completed in this period? You have to read once again. Then, so what are the hard words or new words? What you say? So all those hard words or new words you have to collect from the paragraphs. It is your homework. Is it understand? Okay. See you in the next class.